yacchami anudam tattva siram veta me bhante Rudiyampi okasha amam bhante Tisarne saha panchasilam dhammam yacchami anudam tattva siram veta me bhante Rudiyampi okasha amam bhante Tisarne saha panchasilam dhammam yacchami anudam tattva siram veta me bhante Yamahang vadami tam vadeta Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa Passa akaranam kusalassa upasampada Sacitta pariyodapanam etang buddhana sasanam Sabba papassa akaranam kusalassa upasampada Sacitta pariyodapanam etang buddhanusasanam. From next week onwards, 5 precepts, 5 training rules, meanings of with the meanings, because you forgot the meanings. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you.
More.
You got this, come on.
Go. Yeah. More. Go. Alright, okay, one's gone.
One more.
One more. Yay!
Good job. Happy birthday.
Oh, Lisa, what
Happy birthday.
It would have been bad if that's still hot and then, you know. Everybody can hear you.
Who gonna eat it? Gungo? Yay!
You like it?
That Dolby re kahabi to Dolby re. Dolby. Dolby. Oh, Jenna is here.
Yeah.
Hey, Jenna. Oh, they
Get out
are.
of here.
Like a nice to be happy dinner.
Oh, Dolby sibi honna. Sibi honna Dolby. Tui? Me? No. Who's that? Jenna? This one, who is that? Oh, it's a puppy? Gun. Hoi, tabi hoi, tiu dragar. Huh? Oh. Yeah, he. Oh, see flower, see full. Oh, see full, oh. Dibi mui.
Hi, Google. Hi, look at me. Oh no, help me!
Except God.
Yes, I can.
Whoa. Dolby. What is that, Dolby? And what is that? Oh, a star? But where is the sky? Sky. Because stars are in the sky. Oh, that's a star. Gun. Oh, that's grass. That's grass. Okay. Grass all around. Oh. Gun. Okay. How about drawing again? Okay, let's erase this and draw something else. Okay, Dolby, erase this, okay? And we draw something else, okay? So who can draw the Buddha?
I can.
Okay, Dolby.
Okay, I go first.
Okay.
Go first.
Okay, just share. Okay, Dolby draw here, and then Gungun draw here.
Then you make the line. Then you make the line.
Oh, a line? Okay, then you can. Okay, here. Gungun, this is your part, okay? You draw here. And no. Dolby. Draw the Buddha. Look at the Buddha. Here. Look at the Buddha and draw. This is Buddha.
Okay, write your name.
Okay. No need your name. No need.
Write your name.
It's okay. He doesn't know. Jenna. Let's see Jenna.
Then both sides.
Okay, so draw the Buddha.
Okay, first I'm going to draw
The Buddha.
that one.
Which one?
First
Okay.
I'm draw-
Look at the white one. You see the white Buddha. Draw the white Buddha. Draw the white Buddha. Okay. So the Buddha is he's closing his eyes. Ooh, what is that? The face?
What's my name?
Is the Buddha's face? Okay, this guy is. Oh, is there another face here?
No, that's the bud.
Huh?
That's the bud.
Oh, the bind. Okay, you see. Oh, okay, right. You got the bind, all right. Oh, that's the hairs, huh? Oh, that's Jaina's Buddha. Gungun. Hey, ta birthday lo de. Ta birthday lo de. Ke cute tu.
Okay, let's see who is the winner.
Huh?
Let's see who's the winner.
He's standing or sitting? Standing or sitting? Oh, there's another star. Let me show you how you have to draw. Okay, let me show how you draw a cloud. Okay, so clouds, draw it like this. Okay. Yeah, this is a cloud.
Is that cloud?
Yeah,
Cloud.
it's a cloud. Okay.
Cloud. I'm going to draw some rain.
Oh, it's rain. Okay. How about drawing the sun? Sun, star, rain. Everything is in the sky, right? Well, let me show you how you draw the sun. No, not sun is like this. First, you draw the circle. Okay, wait. I will show you first, and then you draw again. I will show you first. You erase it, and then you draw yourself. Okay? Wait. Just show. First, you draw the circle and this line. What is this? Yes, that's the sun. Oh, Dolby sing he. Sun? Oh. Oh, yeah.
I want to your house in the morning.
Okay.
It's a weekend, huh?
So she got check minus I got she got star.
Gungun. Photo you hold. Ela mudou. Coragem.
You got check minus. You know check minus is the most thing you got.
Circle. Really? No. Not like that. No, not like that. Coragem, don't.
Okay, I'll help you.
Yeah, help each other. Oh, that's hell. So Jenna, wait, who is this? Jenna, who?
Don't waste the lines, okay? Because we need the lines.
Jenna, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Bhante? That's Buddha.
Don't waste the lines.
Okay, the line is there.
There you go.
No. Like here. I will show you how to draw a star. Okay, Dolby, can you draw a star? Oh, that's sun. Okay, let's draw the sun. Yeah.
No, this is a star.
No, she's drawing the sun. She's drawing the sun. Oh, that's star. Star. Wait. Let me show you how to draw a beautiful star. Okay, here, Jenna. Wait, here, like this. Okay, let me see. Jenna, star is here. Okay. Bam, bam. Wait, is it? Bam, bam, bam. Oh, the star is here. The star is here. You see? The star is here. Jenna, the star is here. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, that's the star. Wow, beautiful. Okay, now Jenna, you know how to draw a sun, right? Gun. Yani. Oh, princess? Wow, really? A princess? Ani, is a princess? Is a queen? Not princess? Not princess?